Adding unlike fractions can be a bit tricky, but with a few simple steps, it can be easy to understand. Let's start with the basics. Make sure the denominators are the same. If the denominators are different, you need to find a common denominator before you can add the fractions. To do this, you can either find the least common multiple, LCM, of the denominators or simply multiply the denominators together. Once you have a common denominator, you can add the numerators together. The resulting fraction will have the same denominator as the original fractions. Finally, simplify the fraction if possible by dividing both the numerator and denominator by their greatest common factor, GCF. Now, let's try a few examples together. Example 1. What is the sum of 1/4 and 3/8? Step 1. Find a common denominator. The LCM of 4 and 8 is 8, so we can use 8 as our common denominator. Step 2. Convert the fractions to have the same denominator. We need to multiply 1/4 by 2/2 to get 2/8, and leave 3/8 as is. Step 3. Add the numerators. 2/8 plus 3/8 equals 5/8. Step 4. Simplify the fraction. The GCF of 5 and 8 is 1, so the fraction is already in its simplest form. Therefore, the sum of 1/4 and 3/8 is 5/8. Example 2. What is the sum of 2/3 and 5/6? Step 1. Find a common denominator. The LCM of 3 and 6 is 6, so we can use 6 as our common denominator. Step 2. Convert the fractions to have the same denominator. We need to multiply 2/3 by 2/2 to get 4/6, and multiply 5/6 by 1/1 to get 5/6. Step 3. Add the numerators. 4/6 plus 5/6 equals 9/6. Step 4. Simplify the fraction. The GCF of 9 and 6 is 3, so we can divide both the numerator and denominator by 3 to get 3/2. Therefore, the sum of 2/3 and 5/6 is 3/2. I hope this interactive content helps you to understand how to add unlike fractions. If you have any further questions or would like more examples, feel free to ask.